App affiliate link sign up with Russell Brunson. If you're wondering how to sign up, you're in the right place. Here I am on the back end of OfferLab. You actually get access to this once you sign up, which is awesome to go ahead and have access to the program, see products that are already in, and start putting your own products in, start building your own vault, all of that. But you care more about the affiliate side. So down below this video in the description, there's a link that's going to take you to this page. This is the JV page specifically for the launch. I'll switch it to the normal affiliate link once the launch is over. But the main launch is going to be here on September 3rd. The pre-launch is going to be there in August 26, 29, and 2nd. Now, obviously, when you go down the page, make sure you watch this video from Russell. He's going to go into more depth. But the big pieces is on the launch, you're going to get 100% commissions of the $500 upsell, which is a great upsell, by the way. Kind of a no-brainer for anyone who's serious about this. So that's awesome. But what really matters is this right here, 4%. And now that can change. Watch this video because he goes into more depth of you get 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. But this is where the money is really made. You can get to 4% of the processing volume of any affiliate or creator that you refer. So for example, let's say you brought in an e-com company that did $100,000 in sales every single month. Well, you get a kickback on that every month. What's 4%? I actually don't even know off the top of my, that's embarrassing. Sorry. 4% of, let's say they're doing $100,000 a month. That is $4,000 every month, every year, year after year after year, because they are cooking to you for life. Imagine if you got 3, 4, 5, 6 people doing numbers like that. And those are not uncommon, guys. They really, really are not. So that's where the beauty is in this affiliate sign up. You're going to want to sign up as many people as you possibly can. Go down to the link under this video, hear all the details from Russell, get signed up, and start promoting in lieu of this September 3rd launch.